So in the previous video we have seen how to toggle a higher voltage source using Arduino, but it's still triggering in a periodical manner. But let's see how to control this higher voltage power source using some external interrupt to the Arduino board. Basically, it's whenever we connect a button to the Arduino. So whenever I press the button, this circuit needs to be toggled, and whenever I release it, this circuit needs to be turned off. So we can do that using uh, pull down resistor, pull up resistor. So I will use the same circuit over here. It's just the same circuit we have made in the previous video. So all I have to use is push button and pull down resistor. So now we know how this pull down resistor works. Basically, this resistor is grounded like this. Then initially this is pulled. Initially our input is pulled to the ground. So I will use maybe pin D3 as our input pin. So initially this is pulled to the ground. That's why it's known as pull down resistor. Then these are grounded. Like this. Then this is basically connected to some sort of a constant voltage source. So in my case, I can use this 5 voltage over here. So I can maybe connect it like this. Right. So now the 5 voltage is also connected like this. Right. Now let's go to the code. So this is our previous code. So all I have to add is another constant, which is button pin. In my case, it's 3. So this button pin is having the pin mode of input, not the output. Button pin is input. So I need to take some read because it is an input. So all I have to do is I will take a read as a digital read from the button pin. So if this read is high, then I need to toggle the light, and if it is not high, then I need to turn it off, something like this, right? So delay can be specified, or maybe as 20 milliseconds or something like that, right? So whenever I pulled or pushed the button, this read will be high, then the light will be turned on because there is a current flowing through this relay. And whenever the button is not pushed, not uh, turned on, or not, or let's say open state, then the button pin input will be low, which means there will be no current flowing through this relay. Then this circuit will be turned off. Okay. So let's try our circuit, start simulation. Okay, so initially it is turned off. So whenever I click the button, the bulb will be turned on, and whenever I release it, again bulb will be turned off. Right? Push the button, then turned on, release it, then turned off. So that's how you use uh, a push down button to generate or to give external interrupt to the Arduino to toggle some sort of a higher voltage circuit.